Good morning, students. In the session of video teaching, today I am going to teach you the chapter 1, that is knowing our numbers. In this chapter, we introduce the different topics here. We discuss about the things related to this chapter, how to write the number in the Indian system and as well as international system. First of all, we see then what do you mean by a number. Suppose if we take the example 34, it is a number, all of you know, but in this 3 is a digit as well as 4 is also a digit, which together makes a number. Now if I have to write the greater sign between any two numbers, then how we write? Suppose we take the example 72 and 6. So 6 is smaller, okay, then 72. So this first place number that is the 7 and here 6. So 7 is greater than 6. So we put a greater sign for 72. Now if we take the two digit number, that is a 72 and 65. So here also we see the first place number, that is a 7 here 6. So 7 is greater than 6. So this number 72 is greater than 65. Now we see the third example, that is a 927 and 915. In this, all of you see that first place number, that is a 9 here also 9, both are same. Okay, so we see the second place number, here is 2 and here is 1. So 2 is greater than 1. So this number is greater than this number. Okay. Now we see the number, how to write in the Indian system. So first we see the place value chart of this Indian system. If we take this number 98765432, then what is the place value of that all these numbers? So see, first this 1 is stand for ones place number, 2 is on tens place number, 3 is on hundred place number, 4 is on thousand place number, 5 is on 10,000 place number, 6 is on lakh place number, 7 is on 10 lakh place number, 8 is on crore place number, 9 is on 10 crore place number. Now how to write the international system of any number. So place value chart for this international system. Suppose if we take this number 98765432, then this 1 stand for ones place number, 2 is on tens place number, 3 is on hundred place number, 4 is on thousand place number, and 5 is on 10,000 place number. 6 in Indian system is on lakh place number, but in international it is on 100,000 place number. Okay, and 7 is on million place number, which is we write in the 10 lakh place number in the Indian system, and here changes it is on million place. See the difference between this Indian system and international system. Okay, now 8 is on 10 million place number, which is we write crore in Indian system. Okay, now last digit, that is a 9, is on 100 million place number, which is we write on the 10 crore place number in the Indian system. So Indian system में 10,000 तक सेम है, एंड इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में 10,000 के आगे के नंबर्स चेंज हो जाते हैं. जहां आप लाख लिखते हो वहां पर वो रिप्लेस हो जाता है 100,000. 10 lakh is replaced by million, crore is replaced by 10 million, 10 crore is replaced by 100 million. Okay, now how to put the comma between the numbers of Indian system and international system. Suppose if we take this number 97586,421, then in Indian system, after the 3 place from the back side we put a comma, or we insert the comma, then 2 digit, then 2 digit. So remember this 3 2 2, we put a comma. And in international system, if we have this number here 76586,432, then this after 3 place, then 3 place, and so on. After 3 place we insert the comma of given number. Okay, how to write the number name in the Indian system. Suppose this is your question given in your exercise. So this given number if we have, so we put the comma or insert the comma after the 3 digit, then 2 digit, then 2 digit, and write the number name of this given number, that is 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. Okay, now how to write or put the comma for international system. So this is your question. Okay, so from the back side, in after the 3 digit put a comma, then again left the 3 digit and put the comma. You have this number. Okay, and number name of this is 78,921,092. Okay, now see the exercise 1.1 from your book. Okay, this is the first question, that is fill in the blanks. So first question is 1 lakh is equal to how many times? 10,000. So in 1 lakh how many zeros are there? 5 zeros. All of you know in 1 lakh you have 5 zeros. So this 1 lakh is equal to how many times of 10,000? In 10,000 the 4 zeros are there. To equate this 1 lakh we have one more zero, so we multiply by here 10. Okay, so we write in the dash, that is a 10. 10 is your answer of fill up. Okay, now see the second fill up, that is a 1 million is equal to dash of 100,000. So in 1 million 6 zeros are there, and in 100,000 5 zeros are there. So for to equate this we multiply by 10 here. So your fill up answer is 10 here. Now see the third one, that is a 1 crore is equal to dash 10 lakh. In 1 crore the 7 zeros are there, and in 10 lakh 6 zeros are there. So equate this, we multiply by here 10. So your answer will be 10. Now see the question number D, that is 1 crore is equal to dash million. Again you have in 1 crore, that is a 7 zeros, and in million 6 zeros are there. So equate, we multiply by again 10. So 10 is your answer of fill up. Now see the last one, that is a 1 million is equal to dash lakh. So in 1 million 6 zeros are there, and in lakh 5 zeros are there. So to equate this we multiply by 10. So your fill up answer will be 10 here. Okay children. Okay, see the second question of exercise 1.1, that is place commas correctly and write the numerals. So first question is 73,75,307. So we write like this, 73 lakh 75,307. So after 3 place we put a comma, and after 2 place we insert the comma. Okay, now to see the second one, that is a 9 crore 5 lakh 41. So this is your answer. After 3 place, then 2 place, then left 2 place, and insert the comma. Okay, and rest of the question you do like this. Okay, now see the question number 3rd, that is insert comma suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. Okay, so this is your question. After the first we put the comma for this given number. So after 3 place from the back insert the comma, then 2 place, then 2 place, and write the number name like this, 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. Okay, now see the question second, that is a 8546,283. In this also after the 3 place insert the comma, then left the 2 digit insert the comma. So yeah, this is the answer Okay, so your number name is 85,46,283. Okay, C and D write down yourself. Okay, now see the next question, question number 4, that is a insert comma suitably and write the names according to international system of numeration. Okay, here we have to write the given number in the international way. Okay, so in international system, how we write? We left the 3 digit and insert the comma. Okay, after 3 digit again we insert the comma. So this is your answer, and its number name you should write like this: 78,921,092. See the another example, another question, question number B. This is your given number. We write again this number and we insert the comma after the 3 places. Okay, so after 1 2 3 we insert the comma, again 1 2 3 we insert the comma. So this is your answer. Okay, so how we write in the number name? That is a 7,452,283. Okay children. Okay, now see the exercise 1.2. These are the word problem. So the question is, a book exhibition was held. The number of the tickets sold on the first, second, third, fourth day. These numbers are given to you. Find the total number of tickets sold on all 4 days. Okay, so for the total we write all this tickets sold on first day, second day, third day and final day. Okay, number of tickets sold on this all 4 days, and the total number of tickets sold on all 4 days equal to 1094 plus 1812 plus 2050 plus 2751. So answer is 7707 tickets. So total number of tickets sold on all 4 days equal to 7707 tickets. Now see the second question, which is very interesting. That question is, Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He scored run 6,980. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? So your solution will be start from total number of runs required is 10,000. Okay, he scored runs is equal to 6,980. So required runs are equal to 10,000 minus 6,980. Okay, so their subtraction is 3,020 runs. आपको माइनस करना है. ठीक है, शेखर को 10,000 रन बनाने थे लेकिन उसने 6,980 रन स्कोर किए, तो कितने रन उसको और नेसेसरी है? सो रिक्वायर्ड रन्स आर, their subtraction will be 3,020 runs. Okay, now see the third question, that is, in a election the successful candidate registered this votes and his nearest rival scored this votes. So by what margin did the successful candidate win the election? Okay, so your solution start from number of votes secured by successful candidate is equal to this rival votes, write down first, then their margin we should find first. So we subtract this bigger number minus smaller number. Okay, so our answer is this 2,28,800 votes we have. So successful candidate won the election by 2,28,800 votes. Okay children. See the next question, question number 4, that is, a Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale of for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? So for this we write the solution starting from price of the book sold in the first week of June, that is 2,85,891 rupees. Then price of the book sold in the second week of June, that is rupees 4,768 rupees. Then their total, we add all these two values, so we get the answer 6,86,659 rupees. Okay, and see the difference. For difference we subtract these values, that is a 4,768 minus 2,85,891. we have the answer this. Okay, so your answer will be sell in the second week was greater by 1,14,877 than in the first week. Now see the question number 5. Find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 each only once. So digits given are to you, that is a 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. So first we make the greatest number from this given digits. So we write the bigger number first, then is smaller, then is smaller, then is smaller. Okay, so we have this greatest 5-digit number, that is a this 76432. Okay, and least number is, we write the smaller number first, then bigger, and so on. So we have this number 23467. So how to find the difference? We subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, we have the difference. So your answer will be 52,965 here. Okay children.